Hi, GCC Fitness Center students. Welcome to your Spring Fitness Center class for 2021. My name is Meg Rademacher, and I will be your instructor for this semester. First thing I want to do is just go over how to navigate Canvas a bit here for those of you that this might be new for. And then we'll get you started. I do want to point out that this class is 100% online, so you will be completing some fitness-related educational material, and then you will also be working out and submitting those workouts online. So again, everything is online. First thing, if you're taking the online course, hopefully you're fairly comfortable with Canvas. If not, it's pretty easy to navigate. First thing I want to point out over here is your inbox. That's the best way to reach me. Send me a Canvas message, or you can also email me. I will respond within 24 hours. Generally, I'm very quick to respond. I check messages several times throughout the day. So if you have any questions, just send me a message. And if you don't hear from me within 24 hours, try to resend it. Maybe something happened and I didn't get it for some reason. Next thing is the help guide over here. Please make sure that if you have any questions about Canvas, use the Canvas guides, the help button over here. That's a great resource. And then student resources will keep you up to date on anything that's happening on Canvas that might be campus related that you need to know. I will post several announcements throughout the week that will not only pertain to your assignments throughout this course, but also other things that are happening on campus that might be important to you, such as food drives or something that might be meditation related that's happening on campus. So anything that might be interested, that I think you might find interesting or be interested in will be in that announcement section. So please check that several times a week. Okay. So you can navigate the course by these buttons over here or the buttons in here. Okay. First thing you're going to do is click on that Getting Started orientation module. So you have a few things that you need to complete before you're allowed to get into that week 1 module. Okay. All of these things need to be completed by Sunday, January 24th at 11:59 p.m. Okay. So you're going to read over your syllabus and take acknowledge that you got the syllabus, which is via a little bit of a quiz. So if you click on that, you have another button that'll take you to your syllabus. Your syllabus, you can click again here, you can download it via PDF, or you can just read it online, whatever is easiest for you. You know, sometimes online it takes a little bit to get it downloaded on Canvas, depending on how many people are using Canvas. So you can always click on that PDF button as well, and that'll pop right up for you. So this is a 1-credit course, so your goal for this semester, obviously you're going to read through this, but I just want to point out our grading scale. So your goal throughout these next 8 weeks is to get 24 hours of credit towards this course. So how you're going to do that is through 1 required weekly assignment, academic assignment each week, and then we are going to recommend that you get anywhere between 2 and 3 hours of physical activity quizzes completed each week. You have until Friday, March 12th to complete those 24 hours. So I want everyone to get an A, so we're going to focus on 24 hours. Okay. I know that that's kind of might be a little confusing to you right now. So let's just go back and I'll show you a little bit about how you're going to earn those hours. So just by acknowledging your syllabus, you'll get a half of an hour towards credit towards your grade. So after you go ahead and read over that syllabus, you're going to take that quiz right there and go ahead and get some credit towards your grade. Off to a great start. Okay. Next thing you're going to complete is the assumption of risk form. Again, you'll get a half an hour of credit. This is going to be a link. Some of you might use the direct forms or direct links. You're going to click here to get to that form. There is a video showing how to complete that. And you're going to want to make sure that you have not only your course name and number handy, but also my name and email. So please make sure you spell those correctly. Okay. So after you complete that, you earn another half an hour towards your grade. So you're already well on your way to earning your A. Okay, so after you complete and review all of this information, Module 1 will then open for you. So again, once you completed that orientation module, Module 1 will open for you. And this is what each weekly module will look like. You can see week 1 right here. So you will have an academic assignment. And your academic assignment each week is worth 1 hour towards credit towards your grade. We need you to complete at least the academic assignment in this course every single week. Okay, it is required. If you do not complete it, you will be withdrawn from the course. So please make sure you're completing that each week. Generally, this first week, it's a SMART goals assignment, so you'll be setting some goals for yourself after watching a short video on how to make appropriate goals. Okay, some weeks it'll be about maybe watching a short meditation video and then answering some questions about meditation. Okay, so they're all health and fitness related topics. Generally, it's some type of article you're going to read or TED Talk, YouTube video that you're going to watch and then answer a few questions. Okay, so those are worth 1 hour of credit towards your grade. Next, you'll be completing physical activity quizzes. Again, like I said, we want you to complete roughly 2 to 3 physical activity quizzes a week so that you are able to earn that 24 hours before the end of the semester. Okay, so this is an example of kind of what your quiz will look like. Ideally, we want you completing anywhere between a 30 and a 60-minute workout. And again, this is an online course, so these are going to be done at your own home. If you do work out at a gym that is actually open, and following COVID protocol right now to be safely open, then you can use your gym. If not, that's perfectly fine, and everything for this course can be done in the comfort of your own home. Okay, so we want to keep you all safe and healthy. Your options on how to complete your workouts, if you already go for walks and go for runs and go for hikes, all of those things will count as credit towards your grade. We just need you to include an accountability piece. Okay, so your accountability piece, as you scroll down after you answered those questions, is going to be in question number 4. You have a variety of ways which you can show us that you completed that. If you have a smartwatch, you can take a picture of your smartwatch and upload it. If you use your cell phone, you can use a MapMyFitness app or other apps that track your hike or your run or your walk. If you did a fitness video, or even if you did a hike, you can snap a selfie of yourself. You can take a short video or a time-lapse video of you completing the workout. Okay, all of those are great options to use for your accountability piece. If you have questions about your accountability piece, just send me a message and I'll let you know if that hits all of the requirements. Okay, so for your workouts, you can do a variety of things. We list a bunch of options up here. One thing that I really think is great is the GCC Fitness Center YouTube YouTube channel. We are constantly uploading videos and videos that include a variety of exercises. So there's yoga on there. There is plank workouts. There are total body conditioning workouts. There are chair yoga if you need a modification. There's a variety of things on that GCC Fitness Center YouTube channel. So check out those workouts. Workouts just need to be at least 30 minutes in length to get credit for them. Okay, you are allowed to upload 2 workouts a day or complete 2 physical activity quizzes a day at maximum. Okay, and total you're allowed to complete 6 workouts a week. Okay, so 6 physical activity quizzes a week plus your 1 required academic assignment. So you're able to get up to 7 hours per week of credit towards your grade in this course. Okay, another great resource is the Down Dog app. I'd recommend it. It's a great yoga app. We also have Fitness Blender and Pop Sugar Fitness. They have a variety of workouts on there, everything from Zumba or Latin dance to HIIT workouts to total body workouts without needing any equipment. So a ton of great resources on there for you. Okay. So again, if you have any questions or need any help throughout this course, please just send me a message. I am here to help you, and I look forward to a great and successful semester working with you.